Hey guys, this is your girl, Ashira Nelson from SavvyGirlMoney.com. Today, my video is to answer a question again that I got on my Facebook. And I love these type of videos because this is current interest. So the current interest my following have. So as they're asking me questions, I get to share the question and the answer with my audience, because most millennials have the exact same concern. So I feel like this would be able to help a large audience. So I hope you guys like this format. If you have a question, you can definitely send me a message on one of my social medias, and that is at Savvy Girl Money on all platforms, or send me a email, and that is at savvygirlmoney@gmail.com. So let me dive right into the question. So straight from my Facebook, this one is, and I'm actually going to do two, and the other one is from my Instagram. So the question is, why is my credit score different with all three reporting agencies? I can see why someone would have this question. Sometimes I look and try to understand the difference, reconcile the difference, but just know that this difference is okay. This happens. It's 100% normal. And the reason is because all of the different agencies receive different information. And when I mean slightly, you don't want to see like a huge difference in them, but it does happen. And all you can do is focus on doing the right things, paying your bills on time, because that make up a huge portion of your credit score. So just focus on paying things on time, keeping your utilization rate under 30%, and just doing right by your credit. Don't constantly go out and apply for new lines of credit. Keep the ones you have. Try to get your credit increase. Keep that utilization low. Just focus on what can increase your credit score, and that's honestly all you could do. And I'm sure just by history, they will all slowly come to be at the same plane. Not exact, which is normal, but they will be very close in score. And honestly, what you want to focus on is really, once you are trying to buy a house or a car, see which report they run. Maybe call them up or do a quick search online, honestly. Quick search online. If you're going to buy a car from, let's say, a dealership in my area, a Kia Bedford, call their finance director. Say, I'm trying to get my finances in order to come purchase a car from you guys. I want to make sure my credit report, my credit score is good. I want to clean it up because I'm going to come see you guys in 3 months. What credit agency do you pull in order to determine our financial stance? Just as simple as that. What credit agency do you pull from? And hopefully, because you're going to be a future customer, they will tell you. If not, if it's a different type of company going to, I don't know, you're going to go buy a house, do a quick Google search. See what you can find out. If the phone calls does not work, I would not stop. If you're going to do a big purchase, you want to make sure you are looking at the exact report that they're going to be looking at. So make sure you're asking the questions beforehand. Know which report they're looking at. Clean that report up in advance. That's going to be key to getting the kind of outcome you want once you're actually ready to make that purchase. So guys, question number 2 is, can I use Credit Karma to monitor my credit score? Should I trust it? Is this even a good app? Okay, let's talk about it, because I actually, at this point in time, even though I'm researching some other companies, I tell my current clients to monitor through Credit Karma. But there's one thing you have to know about Credit Karma. The other 3 agencies, so Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, are on a FICO credit score rating. Credit Karma is on Vantage 3.0. So Credit Karma is not a FICO rating. That's the key thing. And most of the lenders are looking for your FICO score. But I will say, and the reason why I use it, Credit Karma is a free app. An app you can download on your phone. No, I am not promoting them, but I will tell you, Credit Karma is free and it honestly is good for monitoring. And that's exactly what you should use it for. Use it to monitor your credit score, and that's it. But before you go out and make a purchase, or when you're building your credit score, you have to go get your FICO credit score. And that's really important because, like I said, most of the lenders, credit card companies, etc., they use your FICO credit score. So when it's all said and done, that FICO score is what matters. So continue using Credit Karma for monitoring. It gives you alerts, it gives you advice. Use it for the free tools, and that's all. That's all. That's all. So I hope these 2 questions helped you. The questions are, like I said, they are what I'm receiving in my inbox. I'm sure that you have been thinking the same thing. And I hope I answered your question. So I'm your girl, Ashira Nelson from SavvyGirlMoney.com. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys again next week. Bye-bye.